Hey YouTube, this is Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here with a quick little guitar or bass repair tip. And have you ever gotten a guitar or bass, and when you first get it, it feels really great, and then over time, you start to notice that the edges of the neck, where the frets are, get really sharp, and they start hurting your hand when you play. And this really sucks. The reason why this happens is because, especially during the winter, like I live in New York, so if you live in a hot climate, you might have never experienced this before, but if you're in a colder climate, you know, where the weather changes, what happens is when the weather gets cold and the air gets really dry, the wood on the neck literally shrinks. And so if it's a new bass or guitar, the frets will end up sticking out over the edges of the neck. So fortunately, there's an easy fix to this, and all you need is a flat file like this, and you can buy these on Amazon. They're not very expensive. I'll post a link down below. And you want to make sure that you get one that doesn't have, like a lot of them have a big bulbous handle on the end here, and you definitely don't want one with that. The reason being is because what you're going to do is on the edge of the neck where the frets are sticking out, if you look at the angle, you know, on the edge of the neck, the fret is at an angle, and so you want to place the file at the same angle as that fret, or the frets. And if you had a file with a big bulbous handle on there, this wouldn't work. So you need a file that's perfectly flat, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to literally just file off those edges, like that. And then basically once you stop hearing metal rubbing, and you'll know then you're starting to hit wood, and so you want to stop. But you're not really going to damage your neck by doing this because you can see right here, well actually I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but if I get in really close, you can see where I shaved off the edge where it was sharp, but the wood is still unharmed because I stopped before really doing anything to the wood. So now I'll just do that to the other side, which is also sharp. And this one's not quite as bad. Well, I actually did a little bit before I started the video. So that one's pretty much done. Let me check here. A little bit on the top there. And that's all. Very simple. And now I have a nice smooth neck on my bass again. Alright, well this was Justin, Demonic Sweaters. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions or tips, comments, or anything like that, you can place them down below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can. And click the bell icon, all that good stuff. Check out my music, too. It's at anthillrecordings.bandcamp.com. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.